Hey YouTube world, it's Trev here from Monthly Missions. Hope everybody's doing great. I'm currently in Lake Louise, Fairmont Chateau Lake Louise. Just doing a bit of filming, a bit of sightseeing right on Lake Louise. Yeah. And so let's see if we can try to find the lake. This is coming from the chateau now. And I have another video where I was coming from the opposite direction, but this will be interesting. This will be just a different view reaching the lake. And this is in the mountains, just like in the middle of nowhere. Like the Stanley, the Stanley Hotel. I guess I'm just trying to figure out how old this. Then I have to walk up an extreme path to get to where the car is parked. Lots of snow, a little bit dangerous. Looks like lots of snow is melted too. So across Alberta, we have these bear-proof garbage cans that you can't just open them. You have to stick your hand in and lift up. There's a little in there, this little thing in there. See if this one. Just pick up a water bottle. They're animal proof, so the animals don't make a mess. So there it is, Lake Louise in April 2026. The water is normally like a beautiful emerald color, light blue. I think emerald's green. The water here is normally like light blue. A lot of people like walking on that ice. It's open right here. Anyways, this is Trav here from Monthly Missions, signing out in Lake Louise, Alberta. Take care, you guys.